Hey illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to do one of my favorite things. We take an inanimate object, something that does not move, and turn it into a cartoon character. So today I am going to teach you how to draw a cookie character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our two cookie characters. So we're going to start with the bodies for each character. The first one is going to be an imperfect circle because cookies are very rarely perfect when you bake them yourself. Okay, there's one. And the shape for the next cookie is going to be more of like a flower shape. So we want to stick with the overall idea of it being a circle, but we want there to be petals instead. All right, there we go. All right, so now we'll work on the faces for each of our cookie characters here. We're going to start with this one. This character is going to be very happy. So we want to do two ovals for eyes. There's one. And two. And because this character is extra happy, we're going to draw a big open mouth smile for this one. We want two eyebrows. So we want our two facial expressions to be contradicting to each other. So we want them to be different. So this one is very excited. This one, not so much. So we're going to start with one oval for one eye. And a little pupil in here. Make our eyes a little bit different. And the second eye, we're actually just going to use half of an oval, and then we're going to use the eyebrow to make it have like an irritated facial expression. So we'll start with a line for the eyebrow, and then just half of an oval, and a little pupil up there in the corner. Want one raised eyebrow. And a very stern, upset mouth. All right, so now we need to make their body language so their arms and their legs reflect the facial expressions. So we'll go ahead and start with this guy that we just finished up with. He's gonna have his hands on his hips. So we're gonna make two arms, one and two, with a couple little curved fingers here. And one foot. And the other foot, it's a little bit kicked out there from the first one. All right, now this one is going to be very excited. So the arms are going to be up And I think he should be probably jumping. So we're going to do 2 legs that are jumping up in the air. Now, one more set of details that we want for this character is this is a chocolate chip cookie. So we're going to add 2 little ovals here for some color in our character's cheeks. And then we're going to use basically the shape of a triangle to create some chocolate chips. And you can just put these on here at random. You don't have to put them in any particular order or anything like that. And you can add as many as you'd like to. Personally, I love when chocolate chip cookies have so many chocolate chips in them. Oh my gosh. So you can add as many of these as you'd like. And you can even add a couple poking out from behind here. All right, and because this character is jumping, it'd be nice if we could see the fact that this one isn't standing on the ground. So we can do that by emphasizing that this one is standing on the ground. Just a couple little lines and dots to indicate the ground there. And then this guy will just put a little oval like a shadow. And indicate the ground there. All right, illustrators, there we have our cookie character outlines. The next thing that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our cookie characters. The very last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators. I hope that you had so much fun bringing your cookie characters to life. I'll see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!